You guys like Johnny Cash?
Who doesn't, right?
I wish I knew how to play his shit. Nah, he's good.
I wish I knew a Johnny Cash song.
His little Folsom Prison. You can never go wrong with Little Cash.
Ready? One more. Now this. How about the Las Vegas Strip behind us? Lively as ever on a Monday night.
I think Johnny's here looking down on us.
Okay.
It's coming around the bend. Well, I ain't seen the sunshine. I don't know when. Yes, I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. Time keeps dragging on. When I hear that lonesome whistle on down that San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, will always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. Well, I shot a man at the Rican BBQ just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. Oh yeah, James. Dining cartage rolling down that line. They're probably smoking whiskey and snorting big fat lines. Yes, I know I had it coming. Oh no, I'll never be free. Well, knowing there are people out there like that, oh, that's what tortures me. Oh yeah. If they freed me from that prison and that railroad track was mine, well, I'd move it a little further down that line. Yes, I'm far from Folsom Prison. That's where I want to stay. And I let that lonesome whistle, it blow my blues.
Hey, thank you, Rick's Rolling Smoked Barbecue.